हेलो बच्चों, ये 7th क्लास की इंग्लिश की आपकी वीडियो है जिसका आपको लेसन पहला भेज रहा हूँ ताकि आप ये काम कंप्लीट कर लें। ये दे रखा है द सी इज़ हंग्री डॉग, ये आपकी पोएम है गेंट एंड ग्रे। द रोल ऑन द बीच ऑल डे विद हिज क्लासिंग टीथ एंड सेगी jaws, or upon he gnaws the rumbling tumbling stones and bones. The gant sea dog moans, licking his grassy paws, and when the night wind roars and the moon rocks in the stormy cloud, he bounds to his feet and sniffs, shaking his wet side over the cliff. The end howls and hollows long and loud, but he quiet day in May or June, when even the grasses on the dune play no more their ready tune. With his head between his paws, he lies on the sandy shores, so quiet, he scarcely snores. ये आपकी पोएम है, इसके वर्ड मीनिंग यहाँ दे रखे हैं, ये आपको लिखने हैं। मैं एक्सरसाइज ये आपकी करा रहा हूँ ताकि आप इसे सॉल्व कर लें। टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। The sea is compared to a dog throughout the poem. What kind of dog do you think the poet has in mind? A small stray dog, a large pet dog, a large stray dog? तो ये होगा a large stray dog। इसके बाद in stanza, first the dog moans with pain, with hunger, with anger, तो with hunger आएगा। What does ready tune refer to? The sound of sea, the sound of the wind in the grass in winter, the sound the dog makes when he is resting, तो ये आएगा टिक, इस पे आएगा। Hollow in stanza second is unusual word. What more common word would be closest in meaning to hollows as it is used in the poem? ये आएगा groves, yaps, calls out, या calls out आएगा। दिया the sea, answer the following question. The sea in the first stanza is rough, powerful and dangerous. Which word tell you this? तो ये आएगा loudly. The sea in the second stanza is strange, majestuous and comforting. Which word tell you this sincerely? The sea in the third stanza is calm, soothing and refreshing. Which word tell you this so quiet? ये आपके डिक्शनरी से आप देख लेंगे, इनकी हेल्प से मीनिंग लिख लेने हैं। आपको डिक्शनरी ले लें एक, उसमें से आप वर्ड मीनिंग लिखें। यदि आप फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द करेक्ट इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन। यहाँ पर आई हियर्ड एनीथिंग, ही वाज सो रूड दैट आई लाइक्ड हिम, that is very easy job, he can do it, he says he is an expert but he knows him about it. I arrived in good time and the meeting started at 3:30। इसके बाद ये सी पर लाइनें लिखने के लिए दे रखी हैं। राइट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सी इन अबाउट 10-15 सेंटेंसेस। मैंने यहाँ से 7 सेंटेंसेस बनाए हैं। सी इज़ लाइक एन ओशन विच स्टोर्स द लार्जेस्ट वाटर, इट covers 72% of Earth's surface. The smallest ocean is the Arctic. Ocean. The Pacific Ocean covers 1/3 of the Earth's surface. It is the deepest ocean of the world. Ocean acts as a shelter for various aquatic species like whales, sharks, crabs, fishes, etc. There are more than 33,200 type of species of fishes discovered till now living in the ocean. That's okay. Thanks.